Pollution issue we have discussed in detail. Then air pollution, etc. That is part of that. And also we have seen in atmosphere one kind of change. We are observing certain kind of atmospheric wind flow, and that we are calling atmospheric river. So scientists have called one kind of term for certain kind of winds, atmospheric rivers. That was a new kind of term, because rivers we know flowing on the land, but even some winds are flowing. Those are basically rivers we are calling. Then they have more moisture, less moisture. So these would be humid wind, dry wind. Humid wind. Whenever we say humid wind, they should start from ocean area, continental area, ocean area. So we are observing that mid-latitude region, especially mid-latitude region, mid-latitude means temperate area. These kind of atmospheric winds, these are the winds which are carrying the humidity from the ocean to the continent in mid-latitude area or temperate area. So in mid-latitude temperate area, around 90% humidity is contributed by these winds, atmospheric winds. Those we call by which name? Atmospheric rivers. So if I say moisture content of mid-latitude area is controlled by which kind of winds? Those are starting from the ocean, but these kind of winds are basically even called by which name due to more humidity? Atmospheric rivers. These are you can say at surface or slightly high side, slightly higher side, and covering a lot of area. Similarly, for tropical area and subtropical area, even the winds running from the ocean, tropical and subtropical area, low latitude area, we are calling certain kind of wind, those we call low level jet. Low level jet, these are also the wind, fast wind at the height of 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer. That is basically bringing the moisture of ocean for which area? Tropical and subtropical area. So if I say atmospheric rivers for which region? Mid latitude. And for low latitude, which kind of winds are there? Low level jet. But both are basically bringing the moisture of the ocean towards the land. So even experiment of this kind also, that low level jet role, atmospheric river, or these kind of winds role in different region of the world. So these areas, I think, in current affairs remained, you can say, in atmosphere. And one more area, yes. Could you tell me, if I say atmospheric river bringing a lot of humidity, then they may cause heavy rainfall in mid latitude area. So rainfall would be quite heavy then. So it will definitely increase the amount of rainfall for which area? Mid latitude area.